Hi guys, welcome to another video from Bellydance with Tahira series. Today we will be working with a cross step. It's not a typical belly dance step, but it's one of the steps used as traveling steps in oriental dance, and we can make it look more oriental. The basic of the step is a cross and a step. So we start with our right leg, and the right leg makes cross in front of us. Then the left leg goes to the side. You don't put your body weight on this leg, you just touch the floor with your toe. Then the left leg goes into the cross and right leg to the side. Cross, side, cross, touch, cross, touch, cross, touch. And exactly the same, you can go back to the back, but you cross in the back. So back, side, back, side, back, side, back, side, back, side, back, side. And very common for this step is to add a hip accent on the side. So when you go, you do it like this: cross to the side, accent, cross, accent, cross, accent, cross, accent, and back, accent, back, accent, back, accent, back, accent. And to make this step even more oriental, you can add very simple hand movements. One hand goes to your head, you put it at the back of your head, and the other hand goes to the side, and it corresponds with your legs. So when you cross, right leg, the right hand goes on your head. When you put your left leg to the side, the left hand goes to the side. So we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's try to do it with an addition of a hip accent. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hop, 2, hop, 3, hop, 4, hop, 1, hop, 2, hop, 3, hop, 4, hop. And this is how you do a cross step. So let me know in the comments down below if you managed to do a cross step. If you have any more questions, also leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to be notified about all new videos on my channel. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you next week. Bye!